Hello students, today in English grammar we will study a new topic, that is articles. Now what are articles? A and the. All these three words, they come under articles. Which are the words? A and the. Now see, A and an, they are called as indefinite articles. What are they called as? They are called as indefinite articles, whereas the is called as definite articles. Why? Because A and an indefinite means not fixed. जो fix नहीं होगा उसको हम क्या बोलेंगे? Indefinite articles. And the is called definite articles because the is used before particular person, place or thing. Suppose if we say sun, the sun is fixed for all, so we use word the before sun. The sun, the moon, because they are fixed. For the fixed places or things we use the word the, and for others we use the word a and an. Now one by one we will study the use of a and an. First, they are called as indefinite because they are not fixed for any specific noun. I told you they are not fixed. Fixed नहीं होते, इसलिए इनको हम क्या बोलते हैं? Indefinite articles. Clear? They are used with countable nouns. Now these a and n both, they are used with countable nouns. Now what are countable nouns? Nouns that can be counted. Those are called as countable nouns. So a and n are used before the countable nouns. Now see, an is used before the singular countable nouns beginning with vowel a, e, I, o, u. ऐसे nouns जो countable होंगे plus they are also starting with the vowels. Now what are vowels? A, E, I, O, U. These are called as vowels. तो and जो countable nouns होंगे और जो vowel से start होंगे words, उनके आगे क्या लगाएंगे हम? We will use an umbrella. U is vowel. Again an orange. What is O? O is an vowel. An orange. An ice cream. So an is used before the words vowel A, E, I, O, U. Now see students, many words begin with silent H. So they also begin with vowel sound and therefore take N. Now see, some words of H, they take a vowel sound. For example, R. If we pronounce R, what does it seem? ऐसे लगता है कि हम O से pronounce कर रहे हैं. Otherwise the spelling is H-O-U-R. So in such type of words also we use word and. इनके आगे भी हम क्या लगाएंगे? N. And honest. Honest. The word is honest. When we pronounce, it is called as honest. But the spelling starts with H. H is silent over here. So it seems, ऐसे लगता है कि हम किससे start कर रहे हैं? O से. इसलिए vowel sound जो अभी आपको पहले पढ़ाया है, according to that हम इसके आगे क्या लगा देते हैं? N. ये चलता बनता किससे word? H से. But H is silent over here. यहाँ पे H silent है और ऐसा लगता है कि हम word किससे बोल रहे हैं? O से. Honest. R. O. So we put the word and before and R and honest separate. Clear? Now next we will study the use of in. Use of in. Where the word a is used, it is used before singular countable nouns beginning with consonant. ऐसे nouns जो singular हो. Number you have read ना, number singular plural. Singular means one, plural means many. ऐसे nouns के आगे जो countable भी हो और singular भी हो. For example, a table, a book, a lamp, all are singular. Table singular है, book countable भी है, singular भी है, a lamp. So in these words we use a. Next is we will study the use of the. Most important. First, it is definite articles. I told you previously what is the. It is it is definite articles means fixed के आगे इसको use करेंगे. It is used before a noun to specify thing. ये हमेशा noun के आगे लगाएंगे बिफोर अ नाउन टू स्पेसिफाई थिंग, टू किसी चीज को हम पर्टिकुलर स्पेसिफाई करें, फिक्स कर रहे हैं, उनके आगे ही इसको यूज करेंगे. फॉर एग्जाम्पल द सन, सन फिक्स कर दिया हमने, सन फिक्स ही है, एक ही है. आपके लिए भी सन वही है, मेरे लिए भी सन वही, सबके लिए सन धरती पर वही है. अर्थ एक ही अर्थ है, उसी अर्थ पे सब रह रहे हैं. तो अर्थ इज फिक्स, इट इज नॉट चेंजेबल फॉर पर्सन टू पर्सन. किसी के लिए चेंज हो रही है कि अर्थ हमारी अलग है, दूसरे अलग है, नो, वन एंड द सेम थिंग. द मून, मून सबके लिए सेम है. सो द स्पेसिफाइड थिंग्स, पर्टिकुलर थिंग्स, we use the word the sun, the moon, the earth. The is second, the is used before singular, plural, countable and uncountable nouns. Now see, in second, the is used before singular, plural, countable and uncountable nouns. For example, the Bay of Bengal. कैसी नाउन्स हो, सिंगुलर भी हो सकती है, प्लूरल भी हो सकती है, काउंटेबल भी हो सकती है, एंड अनकाउंटेबल नाउन्स. नेक्स्ट, बिफोर सुपरलेटिव्स. व्हाट इज सुपरलेटिव डिग्रीज? पॉजिटिव, कंपैरेटिव, सुपरलेटिव. सुपरलेटिव मीन्स सबसे सुपर, द बेस्ट, द हाईएस्ट, हाई, हायर, हाईएस्ट. हाईएस्ट इज द थर्ड डिग्री, सुपरलेटिव डिग्री. सो बिफोर द सुपरलेटिव degree, the is used. The highest, the biggest, the highest peak, the big. Sorry students for the inconvenience. We were talking about before superlatives degree, the is used. The highest peak, highest is the superlative, positive, comparative, superlative. So superlative degree is high, higher, highest. Highest के आगे, superlative degree के आगे हम क्या use करेंगे? The. Next, the is used to refer something that has already been spoken of. जो चीज हम पहले बोल चुके हैं, उनके आगे भी हम कौन सा वर्ड यूज करेंगे? The. Example, the brand new cycle was found in the park. The cycle is red in color. Now see, हम किसकी बात कर रहे हैं? उस साइकिल की, उस जो साइकिल मिली है, was found in the park, पार्क में मिली है, वह साइकिल कैसी थी? That is red in color. तो ऐसी चीजों के आगे भी that used before something that has already been spoken of, जिसकी हमने पहले बात कर ली है, उसके लिए भी अगर हम बाद में बात करते हैं तो we use the word the. Is it clear? Yes or no? Yes. Next, the is used before first, last, next only. First, last और next में ही हम the use करेंगे. Laika was the first dog to go to space. It was first, so the is used. Clear? Next is the is used with the group of people. Group of people होंगे, उनके आगे भी हम क्या यूज करेंगे? The. The king gave alms to the poor. Poor बहुत सारे poors ने यूज करते, poor यूज करते. To the poor, the hungry and the homeless. इनके आगे to the group of people. Group of people के आगे हमने क्या लगाया? King ने alms दिए. Alms means help. The king gave help to the poor people, the hungry जो भूखे थे, and the homeless. इन लोगों को king ने help दी for in with the group of peoples. Next, the is used with countries whose name include words like kingdom or states. Countries, they have plural names. इनके plural names होंगे. ऐसी countries के आगे भी हम क्या use करेंगे? The Republic of India, the United States of America. So, have you followed this? The is used with countries whose name includes words like republic, next kingdom or states, and that have plural names. जिन countries के plural name होंगे, उनके आगे भी हम क्या use करेंगे? That. Thank you students for watching this video. For more videos, please subscribe my YouTube channel.